Welcome back to Living 757. Being involved in a car accident is something that nobody wants to be a part of, right, Patricia?
Yeah.
But knowing what to do afterwards can save you when it comes to the aftermath. And we are so lucky that we have friends like Attorney John Paulson from Huffman Huffman who can tell us everything to do and most importantly, everything not to do after you get into a car crash. Hey, John.
Hey, good to see you guys.
Welcome to the show.
Yeah, thanks.
It's always so good to have you.
Yes.
Now, we have gone over this information that we're going to talk about today several times.
Right.
So our producers decided they were going to quiz us.
Okay.
Yes, let's see if we
Are
do it
you
right.
down for the
I'm down
cause?
for the quiz.
I think
Let's
at this
go.
point we all know exactly, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we should
should know.
this at this point, and John is the expert, so he's going to correct us if
And
we're
I've
wrong.
got cheat sheet.
Oh, good.
Oh, no.
Good. He has the answers.
I've
See,
got the
I knew
answers.
they were against us.
Yes.
After an accident, you should
Okay,
call 911.
yes.
There you go.
Take a photo. No.
Yep.
No,
you got it.
that's
take
yours.
photos.
Yeah,
Take
take
photos.
That's right.
Call an attorney.
Yes,
You want to
yes,
call
yes.
John.
Nailed it.
Get medical
Attention.
Yes.
Get medical
Well, treatment.
treatment. Yeah,
Treatment.
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 Good
I
enough.
was like,
Same thing.
Get
Notificate information. No. Oh yes, get
That's tough.
information.
How about contact?
contact
information.
information.
There you go.
I know. I was trying to
There
do that
you go.
information. I know it's right, but the other one, that was tough.
That was
Yeah, I
tough.
know, I was
that
like-
was tough. Yeah.
Looks like a confused puppy.
I like that
Right.
one. Yes.
What?
I like that one.
Right. That
All right.
last one.
Question number 2.
Okay, we have another one.
Yep.
After an accident, do not do these 5 things. So let me see.
Do not
Leave the scene.
Yes.
leave the
Yes.
scene. Yes.
Um,
Admit fault.
There you go. That's
Okay.
a big one.
Deny until you die. JK, mom.
Do not forget to
not-
get the light.
Call
call
the
police.
police.
There
Yes.
you go.
Do not forget to collect evidence.
That's right.
I thought that was the police's job.
And that one
Do
is
not neglect to get.
Oh.
I don't know what that one is.
that
okay.
one
yep.
is-
Okay. I got it.
you need to help us on that one.
Medical.
Ooh.
Medical attention.
That's
Attention.
right.
Yes.
Yes.
Medical attention.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love that one.
Yeah. Actually, you brought something up pretty interesting because you said I thought that was the police's job.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
that's important, and I'm not trying to jump on your question, but
No, it's okay.
But there's different standards for civil and criminal liability. That's why it's real important. These insurance companies, they always find any reason to deny a claim.
Right.
Yes.
And we're going to talk about in a second, I think, this contributory negligence, which is a horrible
Yes.
law in
I
Virginia.
think, yeah, that's our
Yep.
question is
We're
about
one of
negligence.
4 states in the country that have this law. But what
Oh,
this
wow.
law essentially says is that, let's say, Ashley, you and I are in a car accident,
Yeah.
and I'm 99% at fault for this accident. But a judge or jury finds that you contributed to this accident 1% in any way, shape, or form. You could be looking at your phone, you could be distracted, you could be speeding. Even though, if you look at an accident normally, you'd say, oh yeah, John's totally at fault. If a judge or jury finds you 1% of fault,
1%.
you may be horribly injured, but you can't collect at all for your
Oh,
damage.
really?
Hey.
Most states have what's called comparative, where they kind of compare the negligence. In Virginia, we have this harsh law called contributory negligence.
Contributory. So that,
Yeah.
that means
So that can
doesn't matter
affect
if
a
it's
personal
1%.
injury case because it could blow your entire
It could
case.
blow you. That's right. So even though the other guy got the ticket and the criminal proceeding says, okay, this person's at fault, under the civil procedure, under the civil rules, it's a totally different standard. So that's why you got to be real careful, before you talk to these insurance companies.
Come on,
So
Virginia.
what's
I
so
know.
important to call it? So that's why it's so important to call the police
So important.
and collect evidence, right?
Yeah, the great thing about Huffman Huffman is it's a little different from a lot of different firms. Is when you call into Huffman Huffman, the first person you're speaking to is an attorney.
It's not attorney.
Yep, not an intake specialist, not a paralegal. You're talking to an attorney. The attorneys can assess the contributory negligence if there's any. They can tell you real clearly whether or not you have a case.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we have one more question?
Yeah, well, actually, he answered that
I
question.
kind of answered that. Jumped
We
ahead
do,
there, yeah.
look.
Yes. If you are even in a car accident,
You
have
call
to
Huffman and Huffman.
There you go. Nailed it. Yep, yep.
That was
is
good.
Yes. Yeah,
So,
very good.
where can people reach out to you guys, and how do they can contact in case that we hope nobody is involved in an accident, but if they do?
Of course, our website should be on the screen, and you can always call us on our 422-HELP, 757-422-HELP. We're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for you.
Brothers
Thank
in
you.
love.
That's it.
You got it.
Finish it.
Huffman and Huffman. I was waiting for y'all to join in.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.